In this video we will show how to use new feature of finding similar items when listing via Sku Fetch. Let's use this coconut oil as an example. Copy the URL and go to Sku Fetch single fetch. Once the product has loaded, go down to the section with alternative suppliers and click Find Same Product. At other suppliers, it can take some time. Match may not be perfect, so you need to go over the links and check if you want to use the supplier. All of the suppliers are already filtered by supported at Sku Grid. Let's review suppliers and choose the ones that we want to use. Now select the suppliers that you want to use as alternative ones and click Use. Once the product will be listed, Sku Grid will determine the price in stock based on the best in stock offer between all of the suppliers, the original one and alternative ones.